Hi everyone, Josie here from Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here in my channel. Today I have a quick unboxing and first impression of a product, and this is by, I think you pronounce this Weeby or Webetop, I don't know. But yeah, this is a dental flosser, and I'm just gonna unbox it right now, and then later on I will be showing you how we're gonna be using this. I'm gonna be using my daughter. I always kind of enlist her help. So here it is. So these are the things that it came with. So this is, I think, the main system. They have a product manual. Then there's the structure, and it shows you how it's supposed to be assembled. Okay, so according to the picture here on the manual, this is how the product structure should be there, so it doesn't get dislodged. Okay, there you see this in white, the power on and off. So these are the tips. This is their case where you can insert them, you can store them neatly to prevent any insects or dust from going in, so that you can keep it more sanitized, you know. This is the orthodontic small bristles, one purple and one white. These are the classic jet tip. This is for the plaque seeker. Okay, this is a little hard as far as bristle. The tongue cleansing tip is this one here, and then this one here is the periodontal pockets. So this is convenience of brushing and water flossing at the same time, on and off. And that's probably where the water, and you're gonna put water in here. Okay, so there is a gauge here, and this is in ounces/ml. So up to 35 ounces of water, that's 1,000 ml, and that's the level. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some water here. So just make sure that you don't go over what's necessary. I'm not gonna maximize it. I'm just gonna put it kind of like 3/4 the way. So just align. There's a, I don't know if you see it, but you can just align that black thing there with the black thing here. So pretty self-explanatory, straightforward. And you see it bubble a little bit once you press it in. Make sure it's secure. I pre-rinsed this before using it, the power. And then there, this is where you can control how much, I think, bubbling you need. Right? And I press it on, pretty good pressure. Makes it stronger when you push it up. So there's still an off and kind of like a low and then a high point. Okay, because if it stays in the middle, let's say for example, and then I push it more, it makes it stronger. I'm not sure you could see that. See that? So I'll make it a little, it's gonna squirt on the mirror, but that's okay, so I can show you. I'll make it to the middle. It kind of makes it a little, you know, it's not as strong. Then that's, you can even hear the water. This is even stronger. Okay, and I'm gonna be doing a dub here or voiceover because we were just laughing so hard here. My daughter and I were just having so much fun, and we don't want to irritate you. So the key is when you use this, you have to bow low to the sink. See here, she was giggling so much. Put in the gadget inside, or the tip inside the mouth, before turning on the handset or that one in her hand so that it will not splatter everywhere. So look at her, she's just giggling here. We just couldn't help ourselves. But anyway, it worked out great though. I just want to let you all know that, you know, you can control this if it's too strong, of course, and if you have sensitive gums, it may cause some bleeding, but you can use the medium setting so that it's not too strong for you. So I'm just going to show you her not so perfect teeth, her chompers. We were just laughing here, I'm sorry. Okay, so after that, all you have to do is press this to loosen that up, and that's it. And then you can wash it and then store it in this container to keep it sanitized. My daughter and I give this gadget a big thumbs up because she felt relieved when I tried it too off camera. I felt relieved. My mouth, you know, after even eating or brushing, there's still some dirt in between the teeth. And with this one, it really helped. Hope you enjoyed this review. This is just an initial unboxing, initial first impression review because I cannot show you how to use all of this. I'm still gonna learn it, and then hopefully one of these days or in the days to come or months to come, I will let you know how it worked out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, please share, and also if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and click that notification bell so that you will not miss any of my new uploads. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.